This is an elevator
Going up.
at the St. Armands parking garage in Sarasota, Florida. This is a Scenic elevator here. Let's go at 4.
Fourth floor.
It's got the voice,
Going down.
which I really like. So, not a whole lot up here. There's the elevator. Let's get a little bit of a view. Not a whole lot besides the top of buildings. But you can see way out in the distance is downtown Sarasota. Let's go back down.
Going down.
You can kind of see down the shaft. Let me try getting it in focus. There you go. Let's go to 1. Here's your inspection certificate. Here's your cab view. It's got a stainless steel cab, but I like that they made this one glass. There's another elevator in the garage that isn't glass.
First floor.
Let's go up to
Going
2.
up.
Actually, while we're here, you can get a better look up the shaft here. I think that up there is the EcoDisc. I'm not sure though. So let's go to 2. So in person, the indicator
Second floor.
doesn't really have that effect of going away, kind of flashing. It's constant. It just comes out that way on my video. All right, there it goes. And that'll be it.